Hey there, Junior Explorers! Welcome back to another wonderful World of Animals adventure. I'm Cupcake Puff, and today we're delving into the quirky world of a bird that's more than just Thanksgiving dinner, the turkey. Turkeys are remarkable birds. They're known for their vibrant feathers and that famous gobble sound. Did you know there are different kinds of turkeys? Some strut their stuff in the wild, while others chill on farms. Wild turkeys are super agile, and they call North America their home. Turkeys have some cool features that make them unique. They rock colorful feathers and a funny dangly bit called a wattle on their neck. They've also got a snood, that fleshy thing above their beak. It can change size and color when they're excited. When it's time to impress the ladies, male turkeys put on a show. They strut around, fan their tail feathers, and belt out their famous gobble call. Turkeys can live in lots of places: forests, grasslands, wetlands. They like spots with yummy food and places to hide from trouble. And that's a wrap on our turkey tale. These birds are full of surprises and teach us tons about nature's wonders, so next time you see a turkey, you'll know there's much more to them than you'd think. Join us next time as we continue to explore the incredible diversity of our planet's wildlife. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our episodes to spread the love for the wonderful world of animals. Thanks for watching.